Today's day 4?
To vegan.
Right.
Okay.
Kasi namin kahapon, no? Puta, sabi ko, dapat umiwalay ka kasi.
Pero baka sa daan kasi ako matutulog po eh.
Nagpipiknik lang kami.
Yun, nabibigit lang kami. Ang saya-saya namin eh.
Let's do this.
Bye, Mela.
Bye. See you later. Tomorrow or whenever. Selfie
Take
first.
a selfie first. Steve.
Screen grab ko na lang.
Here.
Let's do this. Okay. Tara. 4:30.
Sakto, di ba?
Sakto. Planadong planado. Oh. Kaalis lang ng Pagod Food. 4:30. Just as planned.
This is plan.
Next stop is Paway Church. 111 kilometers away.
It's you.
Sisiw. Magpipiknik kami doon. Oh, dagat. Always enjoy the view. Woohoo! Whoop, whoop, whoop. Fresh pa kami. 1,110 meters na lang yung aahunin. Ang ganda. Ayun, ang ganda.
Wala dito. Para makuha mo yung...
Ayun oh. Always enjoy the fucking view. Pagdaan ko dito, papuntang resort, madilim na. Hindi, wala akong nakita dito. Ay na, ang ganda pala. Ganda.
Yung Burgos, oh.
Ay, yung windmill.
Kapit kami dito. Yan eh, pag ganun ang bridge.
Next stop, windmills. Yan oh. Windmill, tailwind, Titan. Surprise, mother... Sarap ng tailwind oh. Ayan pa. Gusto ko yan.
Over here, my newfound friend. You're right there. Man, it's the legend right here. In the north of the loop. 1,300 kilometers of pure riding, eating, just shitting, parking. No sleep, no shower.
Tangin ang headwind yan. Ooh, so huge.
Very good stuff. Lalo eh, sunset.
Chief, ang may concern is
Ang ganda. Woo! Bala Bridge. Woo! The views are amazing.
Oh man, that's so breathtaking.
Pero Dios ti Agnin. Don't know what that means, but okay. Hindi naman yan, na naman mapalid. Good evening.
Amazing, huh?
Okay na okay.
Ayabang talaga tayo, Brin.
Kaya banggid.
Talaga.
Parehas pala tayo, mayabang eh.
Walang mahirap sa mayabang. Walang mahirap sa mayabang.
Pagpadayaw gani. Dali lang gid.
Bakit talaga naman sa club? Para sumali ko sa atak.
Plano ko nga rin sana kaso conflict sa schedule eh.
Look at the food. Oh. Oh my God.
Ano pa?
Tingnan mo.
Ayan.
Sarap. Wait.
Ano ba to? Cycling ba to or food vlog?
Kainan talaga to. Kaya naman tayo sa lagi para kumain na marami. Everyone here? All their food never saw a freezer. It's either cut, killed fresh or picked from the tree.
Best checkpoint.
Best checkpoint. Grabe to ha. Okay na? Yeah, great.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Sa vlog.
Hello.
Next time, wala
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Wala na vlog tayo. Okay.
Picture.
Oh, picture tayo natin.
Maliwanag to ha. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa sa cellphone lang.
Grabe talaga, si brother.
Para sure. 1, 2, 3. Selfie tayo. Alright. Okay. Thank you. 10 p.m. 30 kilometers away from checkpoint.
Pit stop, man. Okay,
Thank you. Sarap.
That was the best fucking pit stop. It's in Audax already.
I saw it. They posted it already.
Already.
The best checkpoint ever. After ng kain, nagpamassage pa, di ba? Ngayon, pumapadyak papuntang Poway Church. The cutoff is 1 a.m. May oras pa. Mga 30-something kilometers away lang naman. Mga 1 hour. Pabalik na ng Poway Church. Ito yung speed namin. 33. Nakapag-picnic na eh. Nakapagpamassage na rin. Yung ginawa pang 35, oh. Pampainit, ha?
Grabe itong mga to.
Grabe sila ka mayabang ba?
Pace natin. 5K pace daw. Recovery easy daw. Oh. Come on, bitches.
Ayun.
Oh, do that again. Mabuta 38 ha?
Nag-40.
Binidyo mo?
Nag-40.
Tingnan nyo pag speed ang trumangkot.
Bike touring ginagawa natin eh. Tayo.
Picture tayo the picture. Picture naman kami kanya. Bike touring.
Okay. Good.
Because we can get to vegan earlier and we can sleep.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Salamat! Fucking cold.
Clean up a bit. What? Clean up.
There's 2 houses, my mom's side and my father's side.
Hello.
Hello, welcome back. How are you?
11:51.
12:30. Darating kami doon ng 2:30. Itawid nyo na tong 6 hours with the power nap. Still good.
Dalawa na lang.
Anong dalawa na lang?
Dalawang stamp na lang.
Vegan and
Vegan tsaka awesome. Tapos na.
awesome. Yeah. Yes po. And the bag?
Napakalapit na lang.
There's no... Thank you, sir. Ingat, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. Yan lang hinihintay namin.
Isa na lang?
Naano yata yung puwet niya eh. Yun yung naano yung puwet eh. Hindi, nauna na siya. Ano na?
20 minutes ago.
Oo nga.
Kaso nahihirapan na siya. Siya na lang. Sino?
Si Ronald.
Ito na sila lahat eh.
Si Ronald pala, yung hinihintay nila. Last man. Thank you so much.
Ingat, ingat.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Nakaliw mga sarili yung puso. Ayun yung highway, no?
Asan?
Yan, sa highway.
Okay. May CR dyan
Okay?
CR?
Oh, meron.
Ay na, natatay ako. Laro pa. Birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Sana ng birthday boy.
Birthday boy in the middle of fucking road. Fucking Audax 1300!
Woohoo! Birthday wish mo, birthday wish.
Sana matapos ko tong 1-3.
Happy birthday, happy birthday!
Thank you. Nice meeting you guys.
10,000 na. LF gain. Oh.
Let's do it, boys. Sorry.
Time check. 3:22 a.m. 12.7 kilometers away from Hotel Salcedo sa Vigan. Naantok na. Sobrang antok na. Pero final push para sa hotel na maka-rest, sleep maayos. Then last day tomorrow. I'm sleepy. Very sleepy. Tapos malamig pa. 18 degrees, 20 degrees. Super cold. Woo! Naantok na ako.
Okay. Lapit na, bro. 20 na lang, ha?
11. 11.6. Last kilometer to Hotel Salcedo de Vigan. Finally, we can sleep. Tapos last 130 something tomorrow. Mamaya. So, matutulog lang kami siguro mga 3-4 hours. Basta kailangan lang namin makarating sa awesome hotel before 3 p.m. Lapit na. Cobble. So, this is painful. Naiihi na rin ako. I just wanna sleep. Ito yung mukha ko. Tingnan nyo ah. Awesome hotel is near. Ayan na. Putang ina. Let's go. Good morning. Ingat, ingat, ingat. Good morning.
May backdrop po ba kayo?
Meron po.
Morning.
Here, sir. You have backdrop?
79?
Yeah. Thank you. Fuck me. Putang ina. Sanang 301. Dito ba? No, not here. Ay, putang ina. Nasa dulo. Whew! Room tour, okay. Fuck this shit.